Hello, friends. It is a fresh day and it gives me fresh energy to talk on the very important topics that are connected with our state in the baby stage in Andhra Pradesh. And not only that, the important tricks of parties connected with the politics in the state. As usual, friends, we are going without face because face invites good and bad. Though we see the good and bad in the same eye, the intention of looking deep into the matter gets dissolved sometimes or diluted by some powerful forces which in all places in the world is managed by power, money, and all types of strategies, including women. Today, Amaravati formation on the occasion of 300 days has taken a central stage. So let us see what is the actual thing of planetary effect that happened behind Amaravati. 33,000 acres of land has been given by some sacrificing, partly sacrificing, you can call like that, farmers, mostly backward and scheduled caste, and to some extent a very small portion of OCs in the farmer community. The then TDP party led by Chandrababu Naidu and the state government worked diligently for the foundation and development of the state by constructing secretariat, assembly, though transit in nature, and the officers as buildings, the employees buildings, the CDAXis roads, and High Court later on. All these things added to the high investment plans of Amaravati. Amaravati was thought to be one of the beautiful cities, even in the mind of our then Prime Minister Modi ji. Not only that, it is well planned even in the hands of Modi ji and Chandrababu Naidu, and even the then opposition leader Jagan also supported it. But in spite of that, the political game behind Amaravati has stopped the state of Andhra Pradesh also after the advent of YCP in power. Not only YCP in power, but the BJP in the central government also is responsible for the sidelining of Amaravati. You know the reason. Well, we will come to that also. Though the State Reorganization Act was well supported by Congress and BJP governments at the center in 2014, and as if both the parties are father and mother of newly formed AP, the residual AP rather, but the promises were only partly fulfilled, save for some educational institutions and hospitals that are given to Andhra Pradesh. There are other things also included. The TDP government, the TDP government, you can say, formed by the TDP party, perhaps had got too much of money thinking on the minds to develop Amaravati for 10 or 15 years as a world-class city, and perhaps the inherent sidelining or neglect of Rayalaseema, though they have boasted some industrial hubs in Rayalaseema and started as well little bit of them, but the majority of the planning was in Amaravati, and Vizag also was in the mind of Chandrababu Naidu. Not very much of a legislative or capitalistic thought, but to silently develop it as a film hub and a tourist city also, apart from the industrial development the city had got. But the money calculations, whether a small percentage of the real estate danda that is said to be associated with the capital is only a very small effect, I can say. But the farmers also were involved in this. We had to look into the aspect of Saturn aspecting from Dhanush Rasi, and it's the 10th aspect on Kanya Vargo, which is the patent sign of Andhra Pradesh, residual Andhra Pradesh. So it is a karmic effect for both the farmers. It is a 10th aspect, mind you. The farmers also had their hopes, high hopes. That is part of their downfall in this game of politicians. Major part is with the mechanism of parties of India, which have let down the city of Amaravati. The name itself, it draws the disintegrating vibration of Mesha Rasi for the patent sign of Vargo, Kanya. This was not properly planned even by Chandrababu Naidu. He did not consult many people. He is a show type of person. He has got his thoughts in a good direction, but he won't go deep into the work. That is the problem the leader faces. Though he is good to most of the people and docile and magnanimous as the Guru Tattva is there in him, that is not sufficient. I think the tombstone for Naidu's thoughts, Chandrababu Naidu's thoughts, and the farmers was laid down by Modi ji of guarding the BJP interests, and YCP leader Jagan ji guarding his party interests with diverting the capital, slowly diverting the capital. Those they say legislative capital will be there. The destructive politics of Libra Tula Lagna and Tula Lagna BJP, though it is a bit constructive sign, but the most horrible and destructive sign of Kanya, which is leading YCP, has created trouble to Amaravati. It is very difficult now because TDP faces a leadership issue. The time is not good for TDP also in future. And the state itself, when Saturn has gone to Makara Rasi, is reeling under the political influence. Poor farmers, they had their hopes of their children development which were also hit by Seni. So this way, it is the problem of TDP party and then Andhra Pradesh, residual Andhra Pradesh and the farmers. And to add to this, the political strategy is also not helping for Andhra Pradesh also. Primarily, that is the picture. The disintegrating is shown with disintegration is shown with 8th house with a horrible political upheavals in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I think it is comparable to even Bihar, or sometimes very cruelly like other states. But friends, Tamilians, will they accept this sort of politics? No, they are united when it comes to their motherland. What about West Bengal? Whether Bengalis will accept? No, they will burn the trams and trains. Very, very agitative people in Simharasi, the Bengali people. Andhra itself invites bad vibrations from the Indian continent, which is in Makara, and Andhra is in Vargu, Andhra Pradesh. So there is a residual problem for Andhra Pradesh also. There is no hiding that BJP or Modi ji have different plans for their parties, taking into at the stake the sustenance of Amaravati. Even YCP also did the same thing, because their future, if TDP takes ground heavily on Amaravati, it would have been disintegration of the parties. This is the play of God. Today we think the parties think like the YCP and BJP, they think that TDP is disintegrated. Of course, on paper it is like that, but the supporters and the party foundations will not go easily, because it is all the political game and the political attraction that is led by sun, which is at the soul level. So the upheaval of Telugu Desam and the Amaravati capital, if the name is changed to Lagna, then there is some chance of development. Perhaps the time is not good for Andhra Pradesh. That is the other time factor. I think Saturn, when it goes to moon star Shravana, then there can be development, I think. Until such time, there is going to be a slow progress, especially when Saturn is once again in the Mars star. It is total coalesce once again after 1 year. So there is a small chance of development when Saturn goes into moon from February. Let us hope at least the farmers will get some benefit, and let the wisdom prevail. Let us hope the central government and the Modi ji and the BJP troop will also get the God influence and the lessons that keep their minds more on duty and not on partiality. Not on the fight between the leaders. The fight between the leaders, Modi versus Chandrababu, Jagan versus Chandrababu, these are also other factors that are working as a political disintegrating factor of Andhra Pradesh, along with the caste politics here. With these indications, you can see it is a very politically spoiled state. It is very easy to say that the party can develop, but it is a very difficult state also, just like Bihar. But still, TDP was magnanimous, and Chandrababu also. But the think tank of TDP also was not good to look at the future. Even now also, even the think tank of YCP also is not good, isn't it? They don't know, they are going in a wrong way. With these few words, I assure you that we will talk on important subjects like this with the planetary influences attached to them. Thank you.